I love you can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know and another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to see me. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this quick weave, curly cut type of situation. It was definitely trust the process, but that's okay because the finished results eat. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, let's just get straight into it. So first, I'm going to go in with some heat protectant on my freshly washed hair, and I'm going to blow dry all of my hair. So once my hair is finally blow dry, I'm finna start the braid down process. So my braid down process was, I knew I wanted a good bit in the front to be left out so that way it could look like my hair, because it's my hair. So yeah, so right now all I'm doing is parting the front part, and I'm gonna braid 2 braids, one on each side. And then also for my braid down, I'm gonna do 2 braids in the back, which was pointless. I should have kept it up, so don't do that. So now I'm just braiding my hair on this side and then go to the other side. I'm gonna braid that side down. And then once that side is braided, I'm gonna braid 2 braids in the back, which again is pointless. Don't do that because you're not even gonna see the back of your head because of the quick weave. So once I have everything braided down, the middle, don't have to be perfect because you're putting a cap on it, so don't worry about that. So now I'm finna go in with a black cap, and I'm finna to put that over my dookie braids that are in the middle of my head. Next, I'm gonna go in this protective shield that I got from the hair store, and I'm gonna put that all over the cap and then blow dry it. Then just for extra security, I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be glue freeze spray and spray that over on top of the protective shield and blow dry that. Make sure it's completely dry. So then after that, I'm just gonna go and cut off the excess cap that I didn't glue down. And once I've cut all of that off, I'm just gonna throw the excess cap away, and this is what it's looking like. It looks very secure. Now it's time to go in with the hair. So I got Bohemian Curl in the length 14-inch from the hair store. I think it looks pretty good, but I think next time I go, I'm gonna go with a more coilier texture. So all I'm doing is I measure the perimeter of my head on how big the track needs to be, and then I go in with the wig glue and I put it on the track, and then all I do is lay it down wherever I measured it and then blow dry it just for it to get very dry. And I'm gonna continue to do this throughout majority of my head. And once I get to the top, then I'll show you guys how I laid those tracks down.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Okay, now we've made it to the top. So you see me now, I'm measuring the track again, but I'm measuring it from front to back. And this is because I knew that I wanted it to be more of a side part type of flip over quick weave. So this is just gonna give me a little bit more fullness and bulkiness on the side that I like my part. So I'm basically, for the rest of the time, I'm finna continue to measure the tracks from front to back throughout the rest of this process.
Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views, and a night.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I really like it. Like, this is my hair. You cannot tell me it's not mine. If you want to see what products I use and the process of me cutting it, you have to go to TikTok. So go follow me on TikTok so you can see that video. I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching the process, because it was a definitely trust the process type of situation. Comment down below what videos you would like to see from me next, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight.